Okay, I am going to give you one more. And this is one, we're going to do it the same way as the last one. I write the problem, you pause, you try it, you see how far you can get. If you can finish it, great. If not, if you get stuck, then either way you come back, you check your answer, and then your choice if you listen to me solve it. So let's just jump right in. X squared y prime, equals xy plus x squared e to the y over x. Go ahead, pause, try it. Okay, so either one of these in green over here would be good. Where's my mouse? There it is. I like the top one better, but they would both be totally correct. So here's our solution method. Our solution. Divide by x squared, that gives me y prime equals xy over x squared plus x squared over x squared e to the y over x. This cancels with that. These cancel. Gives me y prime equals y over x plus e to the y over x. This one screams at us, you should sub y over x. I think you probably see that. So let v equal y over x. That means that Vx is y. That means that dv dx times x plus v is equal to dy dx. Sub in this, this goes here, and then boom, here, and then this and this will get replaced by a v. So when I do that, I get dv, green, blue, dv dx times x plus v equals, all right, let's do this sub. V, that's sweet, those guys are going to cancel, plus e to the y, e to the v. Boom, boom. This gives me dv dx times x equals e to the v. Now this is a little weird, but it's really just a separation of variables. I can divide by e to the v, or even better, multiply by e to the negative v. I'll write that. Because then these guys will cancel and then move the x terms over, because I'll be left with a 1 over there. So that gives me e to the negative v dv equals dx over x. Now this is integratable. On the left side, I get negative e to the negative v equals, again, like the last one, ln absolute value of x plus a constant. And this is where I multiply by a negative. E to the negative v equals negative ln x minus c. And here I'm going to let c1 equal negative c1 equals c, which, and then I'm going to back tag that as c1, kind of standard practice that I like to use. Gives me e to the negative v is c minus ln of x, and that just looks a lot nicer to me and makes me happier. What is the opposite of an exponential function? It's a log. So do ln on both sides. I get negative v equals ln of c minus, dang, keep dropping these, ln absolute value x. Here I will go negative y over x, so sub my v out. So remember, I need my answers in terms of y's and x's only, equals same thing. And then my last line is that, that's a bad y, y is equal to negative x ln of c minus ln absolute value of x. And we're done. And we're gonna do one more because I want to do one that is not quite as well. I want to add a little algebra and a little more tinkering to at least one more.